A machinist once told me before he died, and I had no reason to believe he lied, that he had a wife with a cunt so wide that she could never be satisfied. So he made himself this bloody big wheel with balls of brass and a brick of steel. And the balls of brass were filled with cream, and the whole fucking thing was run by steam. Surrounded round went the bloody big wheel, and in and out goes the brick of steel, until at the last the maiden cried, "Enough, enough, I'm satisfied." Well, here and now comes the tragic bit. There was no way of stopping it, and she was split from ass to tit, and the whole fucking issue was covered in shit.
Oh, that's pretty foul. Oh, man. Those machinists, I tell you what.